Smoking, not too good for your health. Smoking, not good for your health at all. Smoking, I not encourage them at all. Some people they smoke cigar, some people they smoke Igbo. But at the end of the day, it they damage their career, they damage their life. Total damage that they give them. That's why I enter street now. As federal government don't advise, so okay, make una stop to the smoke, make una stop to the smoke. People not still agree. We come find and say na individual. Because when you enter, when you don't enter your body, it already enter. No how you want to do am. Unless you say today I want stop her. Even when you stop and say, only going to drag you, because that thing gets spirits. That thing gets spirit die. Most of now when they do it now, no. That thing gets spirit die. That's why I don't say I dey lie. That's why I enter street today. As make I let now, make I ask. Okay, we know they do one, but make I ask one question. Cigar and Igbo, which one you prefer? I not encourage anyone, but sometimes which one they you prefer? This one are your straight young from Wazobia TV, make you not touch the dial. Channel 195. Start time. Which one you prefer? Now, good afternoon, sir. We don't say yes from Wazobia TV. How you know? Still on the matter. This one your street chance. Wazobia TV channel 195. All right, so God, I want simple question. Everybody fit talk put for this matter.
Yes.
I want simple question. I want ask. You know, say most of us this. Okay, you smoke.
No, I don't smoke.
No, talk to you.
No, I don't.
Show for your lip.
No, I don't smoke. I just lick a ball of money.
But you they show now. Maybe they take the other one.
No.
What of you, guy?
I don't smoke.
Why they smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
You know they smoke.
Why? I don't smoke. I am a chosen. Can I see?
Yeah, you chosen.
Yeah.
Okay, you know they smoke.
No, I don't smoke.
All of now know they smoke.
No, I can't.
Even okay, you know they smoke.
I can't smoke.
See your lip.
I can't smoke.
Okay. Maybe one or two people here don't smoke before you can't stop. Abi?
No, yeah, exactly.
You smoke, you can't stop.
Yes.
Okay, so what you do, okay? Yeah? Federal government don't advise say make them stop to the smoke. Fine. But you know if you stop and stop, you sure you prefer cigar or Igbo?
Not above.
No.
Not above. I'm telling you.
You sure?
I'm telling you. I don't prefer any of them.
You don't prefer any of them?
It's not me to smoke Igbo, I smoke cigarettes.
You said you smoke Igbo, you smoke cigarette?
Yes.
All right. Still on the matter straight and say set of you. What of you, okay?
I don't smoke any of them, and I don't like smoking any of them. Yeah.
What of you?
I can't take any of them at all.
You sure?
I can't try it.
For your lip loud they smoke.
I don't smoke, I don't drink, so
You know they drink?
at all.
But you like woman?
I don't like women, I'm married.
You are married?
I'm wedded.
You are wedded?
Yes.
You like woman, I mean you wed now.
No, not because I like. It's a normal thing for every man to get married.
But guy, they like woman, sir.
Well, I like woman because if I don't like woman, a woman. I love women, I like them. If I don't love women, I won't marry a woman.
What of you, guy?
It's a natural phenomenon, nah. It's supposed to love woman.
Father! I tell you, still on the street, Igbo and cigar, which one you prefer? If you know they smoke, it's that how you they drink. If you know they drink, it's that how you they carry woman. But if you know they carry woman, what you go call they carry? Wow, I know this face. How you doing?
Very well.
This is Wazobia TV.
Okay.
All right, still on the cigarette matter. Cigar and Igbo, which one you prefer?
I don't prefer anyone.
Not prefer anyone?
At all.
You sure? Your husband not the smoke? You sure?
Sure.
I know your husband ain't the smoke.
Nah lie, you know.
I don't buy cigar for your husband.
Nah lie.
You sure?
Nah lie.
Me, I don't buy cigar.
I know your face too now.
I know you for where?
Overcomers.
Aha! I talked about before. Still on the matter. Straight hands. Now my church member. Ma carry my kaya come out. All right, yeah. Cigar and Igbo, sure you prefer?
No, I don't prefer anything.
You sure?
No, yes.
But see your lip now.
No, I'm not.
Talk
doing.
through God when they deserve. We know the smoke.
No, I know they smoke, sir.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
I'm sure. 100%.
Now lie. But what you got to your
sure.
lip like this?
Eh? No, that's a normal now.
It's normal.
It's normal, yeah.
Okay, you get natural Amatan lip.
Yes.
Okay, natural Amatan. Amatan use the water all the days. Mc Shaggi. So that's smoking is dangerous. Still on the matter. Quick. Wazobia TV, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing now?
I'm fine, very well.
You dial your number, B. Hope the number not they go.
No, it's not going. No
okay,
problem.
thank God. Father. All right, madam, as you do like this,
Yes.
Your husband they smoke?
No, he doesn't smoke.
You sure?
Very well.
You sure?
I'm very proud of him.
If your husband is smoke now, I'm all saying they smoke. Igbo and cigar, which one you go prefer me smoke?
None of them is good.
None of them is
And
good.
he can never smoke.
He can never smoke.
It is detrimental to the health.
Father!
It's not
Father! You sure?
Yeah.
Oga, good afternoon.
No, go Bo.
You dey smoke?
I know the smoke. Oh.
Bros, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
This one is Wazobia TV.
What do you want me to do?
Come on, just stand. Give me 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
All right, you dey smoke?
No. Smoke for what? No. Why are you asking me that kind of question?
Nigerians, if fear. Hey, it's all about smoking.
Smoking?
Yeah.
Oh, smoking is not good. It's very dangerous. Too.
Are you sure?
Very, very
But
good.
you dey hide, they go do am now. You know say dangerous, they
No,
hide,
it's
they go
very...
do am.
Me hide. Me, I
You
get
wait,
wife now.
You dey your lip now.
You
Tell
dey
me
my
say you know
lip.
they smoke.
I know they smoke.
You sure?
I know they smoke. Smoking is very
Why
bad.
Nigerians they lie under the camera? See this guy hand.
you know you-
See this guy hand. You go no say they
See this
smoke.
guy. Smoking is very
Do
bad.
this hand like you no say yes. You don't take.
Smoking is very bad. You must not smoke.
You not see person
Because
like
even
this.
for Bible said you must not smoke.
The right time for Bible. Which verse?
The right time now.
Which verse?
Go read your Bible very
Which
well.
part?
Go read that very well.
All right, bro. You know, I don't say you be confirmed guy, you be guy man. Shake me. No, not worry. Not drop your cigar. Not drop your cigar. Not drop your cigar. You know me. Not drop your cigar. And this thing will make me come meet you. Now because of the cigar. All right. How far now? I know say smoking, but you dey like smoke sometimes.
Of course.
Igbo and cigar, which one you prefer?
I know they smoke Igbo, so I no go fit compare.
Okay, so you dey like smoke only cigar?
Yes.
Just there alone.
Confirm.
And when you smoke and finish, how dey be?
Normally na you go. Na me know as e dey be me
Na you know
sha.
as e dey be you.
Everybody dey different.
But actually, you see, e good as you dey smoke.
You know, for this thing that they say smoking is not good sha, but
But they still dey sell am.
we cannot still do without it.
Still on the matter. Confirm guy. Confirm guy. Wetin be your name?
Andy.
All right, if you don't watch me live, this on your street channels, Wazobia TV, not touch you that. Channel 195, still on the matter. Smoking, cigar and Igbo, which one you prefer if you dey smoke? If you know if you stop, but which one you go prefer, cigar or smoke? Could not be by force to stop person from smoking. My decision. Say today I won't stop to the smoke. Just like that. Make it there. Wazobia TV.
Wazobia TV?
Yes, sir. You dey smoke?
No.
You know they smoke cigar?
Yeah.
But you dey smoke Igbo?
I know the smoke.
Which one you dey smoke? They smoke gutter?
Now only Yarinya I dey get. I dey like.
Only Yarinya you dey like?
Yes.
So you dey like Yarinya?
Mm.
Oh, wonder. Hey, go how far? Well done. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, you dey smoke, abi? You smoke sometimes.
I don't smoke.
You don't take cigarettes.
Once in a while.
Once in a while, you take cigarettes.
Yeah, what
I
happened?
like people in this straightforward.
Yeah.
Cigarette. Sometimes they give you two options now: cigar and Igbo. Which one you go prefer?
You know, Igbo was not acceptable by Nigerian.
Yeah.
So I prefer cigarette.
You prefer cigarette?
Yeah.
Assuming they accept Igbo, you go prefer Igbo.
No, nothing happen.
Nothing there.
Yeah,
That means they smoke anything, smoke Igbo.
Brother, wetin happen? No, they implicate me.
No. This one I just show, not be say anything. Not be ready to go implicate you. All right now. You do me anything when you are going to
Smoke
implicate.
dey okay, nothing do am, but you know say Nigeria government no dey allow me know that
Well,
kind
you know
of
why
thing.
they allow?
I don't know, me I don't know that one. No.
But they say it's dangerous to your health.
Forget that one. That one a story.
That one a story, I mean.
I guess.
Okay, yes. You know why they get these people? Are they near the garage side, small. Let's say the area when I did before. Make I do my shoe wear. The area when I did before. The area when I did before. Now, I just pack what they did there. When I see them move.
You know the small.
No, they take cigar.
You know
Sometimes.
You know the
Or
small.
you know they take Igbo. They take Igbo.
You know take it one.
Small sometimes.
You know small.
You sure?
You sure?
Why you dey lie?
You don't
But
know.
your friends say they smoke.
I don't know.
You sure?
You sure?
You dey smoke, abi?
No, God forbid.
What of your husband?
My
Why your husband?
husband there for Malaysia.
In the Malaysia?
Yes.
Your husband marry you for ground, go Malaysia?
Yes.
Go sell kidney?
No.
Father Lord. So your husband go Malaysia, go sell kidney?
God forbid. You know.
You sure say your husband no dey smoke for there?
I like God forbid.
How you tell know?
Because he's a Christian.
How you do you know what kind of Christian?
He's a real born again
He's a
Christian.
real born again.
Yes.
Do we have a fake one and a real one?
Yes. Now.
Father Lord, Father, tell on the matter. Yeah. How far are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. You dey smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
You oga, I don't need to ask you dey smoke.
I don't smoke.
No, this man dey smoke. Dey show for your face.
I dey smoke.
Which kind one?
Igbo.
Igbo. When you start to dey smoke, I don't think.
It don reach 10 years now I dey smoke.
Don't reach 10 years. And you dey look, you dey make you dey look healthy.
I dey struggle wella.
You dey strong wella. But if they give you chance now, Igbo and cigar, you go prefer pass.
I prefer Igbo now.
You prefer Igbo? Why?
Cigar nothing dey for cigar now.
Nothing dey cigar.
At all.
All right, madam, your husband dey smoke.
No, you know they smoke.
Your husband dey smoke.
No.
You don't marry.
No, I never married.
And why they lie? lie. That was say your husband in Malaysia. Your husband not go sell a kidney for Malaysia. I say what it? Your kidney, your husband go come back now and say go hold one belly. Oh Neo, I'm back. Oh. All right, like that. Street Chance Wazobia TV. Make it there. Oh shit. What? Po. You take small cigar. Sometimes.
Yeah.
They take sometimes, not all the time. Not be saying you just maybe not be saying na your maybe it's not tradition. Anytime you just like take am.
Yeah.
Not be so.
Nah, so.
But if they give you chance now, federal government allow all of them make them smoke, which one you go prefer me smoke? Cigar or Igbo?
I don't stop it, sir. I don't want to smoke again, sir.
Okay, don't stop smoking.
Yeah.
Thank God. Confirm guy. Yeah, but smoking is not good to your health.
I tell
No man. I believe you. Still on the matter. Quick it there. All right. How far? Yeah,
Nothing they do me.
all right now. You dey smoke, abi?
Confirm, man.
Oh yeah, they confirm. They take Igbo too.
Confirm.
All right now. Igbo
How
and
they
cigar,
go?
sure you prefer.
How they go?
Hi.
Make I know.
I don't ask you now. Igbo and cigar, sure you prefer.
Everything I dey take am.
You dey take all of them. Confirm it too.
Confirmento.
All right, so.
Confirm. Confirm.
You got to Igbo.
Nigga, no.
Hey!
Chineke me o.
Okay, there. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Smoking is dangerous, abi?
Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
Yes.
But do you smoke?
No?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But you feel like foreign babe when you smoke.
I don't smoke.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's not good for health. Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
You thought you said it before?
No? And I can't.
You can't. You sure?
Yeah.
Maybe you're scared because of the camera.
No, I don't take it.
You sure?
It's not good for health. It's dangerous for our health.
Okay, now. No problem. All right, so let me matter. Agugu. Oh yeah, fix that tire well, Fix that tire well. You don't smoke.
No, I hate people because I chum.
You know the smoke.
This is my guy.
You know the smoke. You know the smoke. You know the smoke.
I chum
You know the smoke.
you are guy.
You the smoke.
Kilita.
You the smoke. Eh? Oga talk now. You know the smoke. You made a look each other lip, abi. See your lip. Say your lip. See smoke. All right, now like this are the wrapper up for today. So your street and smoking is dangerous to your health. Smoking is not good for your health. It's really bad for your health. Make you know the do am. Now so federal government talk on behalf of the federal government, on behalf of Wazobia TV, I pledge peace to Nigeria. Let there be peace in Nigeria. Let there be peace. My name is Mc Shaggi, still on the matter, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Watch out, start time, channel 195. Make you not touch that. Smoking, it's dangerous. Not good.